afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. Everyone, just let me know that my screen and my voice clear. Okay. Yes, Anika, you can use them. Okay, Kaushal. Yes, Ahilya. Okay, Rishabh, you will be using watercolors. Okay, no problem. Okay, Ria. Chaitanya, we have to use brush sketch pens. If you don't have brush sketch pens, you can take watercolors. Yes, and I hope you have taken the circle, everyone. Circle. What you have taken, just show me. What kind of circle? Circular plate, container, or a protector? Yes. Those who have protector, you can use that. Meet, check its size. Okay, Kaushal. Okay, Kavya. All right, Anika, Ahilya, you can use it. Yes, Nesha, Adya, okay. Yes, and brush sketch pens we will be using, everyone. Okay. Okay, Chaitra, Daniel. Uh, okay, Ria, you can take a rounder. Okay, with the help of rounder, you can add circle. All right, Mahit. Okay, perfect. Okay, Krishna. Come on. So everyone, today we are going to draw Mickey Mouse. Okay, and the circle we are going to use for drawing face. Okay. Come on, get ready with your book. Let's start. Okay. So everyone, for this drawing, we need to hold our book in a vertical manner. Place it in a standing manner, everyone, like this. Okay, Anika. Yes, you can use it. Yes. So everyone, you can see face position where it is. See, from center, it's little bit on side. Okay. Okay, Chaitanya. So we will first place our circle on this part. Okay. And we will add its outline. Let's see. Let's check its position, everyone. Take the center, everyone, slightly on right side. Place your circle in this way. Not exactly in the center, slightly on right side. Place it, everyone. From center, slightly on right. Yes, Ria, you can use it. Come on, place it, everyone. And once you have fixed the position, hold it tightly with your hand. See, everyone, I'm marking a center dot for your reference. From center, slightly on right. You have to place like this. Jivika, you can just check measurement. Just check it's 14 or 15 centimeter. Okay. Then you can take that. Okay, Rishit, no problem. Use it. Any circle will do. Just the thing is you need to draw it a little bit big. Okay. For A4 size, this shape is perfect. Okay, just show me once done with the circle. Okay, Daniel. Yes, Nisha. Nisha, leave some space here, everyone. See, on the right side, we want some space. Okay, check that. Akshat, done with the circle. Okay, Mahit, Krishna. Okay, Kabir, no problem. Okay, Mahit. All right. I'm just erasing the center dot, okay? You can keep aside the circle now. Its part is done. Okay. Okay, Chaitra. Okay, Kaushal. No problem. Okay. Now, everyone, we will start adding details. Okay, inside it. Akshat, take the center. See, everyone, take the center of your book. Okay, slightly you have to shift. See, this is the center. You have to slightly shift it on right side like this. And then you have to add. Okay, it is in the center only. Okay, but slightly on right side. That's it. Okay, here we want some space for adding nose. Okay, now see the details, everyone. We will start with this line. Check here. You can see it's a semicircular curve. Two semicircular curves we have to add. Okay, check. I am marking a dot on this part. Okay, from center slightly down on circle, marking a dot. Okay, Kaushal, make it in the center, no problem. Yes. Now see, everyone, I'm adding curve line. See, first curve, second curve in the same way, like this. It's just like a number 3, opposite number 3. Okay. First, let's complete these two curves. Then we will add the third one. Okay. First, what we have to do, mark this dot down here. Check, everyone, check its position. If I divide circle in half, it's slightly on left side. Okay. Mark this dot first, everyone. Check. If you divide circle in half, you have to go slightly on left side and mark a dot. Come on, Gargi, Meet, Asmi, Ayan, mark dot. Okay, done. Added dot. Now let's make number 3, opposite number 3. See, first curve, make second curve like this. No need to connect. Okay, here, see, I'm leaving some gap. Don't connect. Draw it freehand only. Yes, show Asmi. Yes, okay, good. Asmi, you can slightly extend this curve down. Priya, you also see, extend this curve down. Come on, Vihan, Siddhi. All right, Adya. Just opposite number 3, you have to make. Okay, good, Ayan. See, everyone in a circle. What we have done, from center, go little bit on left side. You have to make opposite number 3 like this. From here, first curve, second curve, like this. Yes, Chaitanya. Chaitanya, make lines little bit light, okay? Okay, Riya, Meet, Arav, good. All right, Adrija. Everyone check. I'm not connecting it, okay? Okay, Kavya. Ahilya, got it? Okay. Now, everyone, take this end. Kabir, Which part you are showing? Anika, you have to simply make number 3. You can rotate your book like this and make number 3. Good work, Chaitra. Krishna, correct? Yes. Yes, Kabir, show. All right, Daniel. Anushri, correct? Now, everyone, one more curve we have to add for eyes. Check this. You have to start from here, okay? Make a semicircular curve and you have to go down like this. You can go outside circle, everyone, for this curve line. Come on, Ansh, Ragi, Rishit. Go outside the circle, okay? You can erase the overlapping line. Make it clear. Yes, good, Ria. Ria, check this circular part. All right, Chaitra, correct, Chaitanya. Very good, Nesha. Asmi, correct. Yes, Kabir, you can take. You can use watercolors. Daniel, good. Arav, good. Correct. All right. So everyone, we have added circle first. Then from center, we have shifted on left, marked a dot. We have made 2 semicircular curves. Now we have added third one like this. Ahilya, correct. Nesha, correct. Okay. See here, everyone. Like this, we have added curve. Okay. Now, everyone, on this part, we are going to add nose. Check. Again, we have to add semicircle like this. Okay. Observe it first. We have to go a little bit inside and then we have to start in this way. Extend this line and go inside like this. Very good, Ria. Check once again, everyone. You have to start slightly from inside. Okay. Like this, semicircle and go inside. This is going to be the smile part, everyone. So check that it's proper curve. Come on, Akshat, Kavya. Let's make this line now. See, I'm starting a little bit from inside, like this. Make a semicircular curve and then extend it, go inside in this way. Very good, Adrija, correct? Come on, Anushri, Akshat doing it. Come on, Siri. Check once again. Start from inside, okay, like this. And go inside in this way, make a smile. Add a line at the end. Yes, I'm waiting, take your time. Okay, Chaitanya. Well done, Kaushal. Nice, Rishit. And Anushri, correct? Ria, correct? Yes, take your time, I'm waiting. Semicircular curve and extend it inside. Okay, just check that everyone, you have small gap here. Yes, Arav, very nice. Arav, see if you can make this line more circular. Okay. So face will look more smiley. Yes, Asmi, see, you have to go a little bit more outwards, just slightly erase this part and make it more curved. Everyone, show me if you are done. If there is any correction, I will let you know. All right, Ayan. Yes, Chaitra, okay. Gargi, show slightly close. Okay. Correct, Anika, Daniel. Well done, Asmi. Now it is good. Everyone, erase the circle which is coming here. Yes, 1 minute, Meet. Yes, Meet, correct. You can continue, Adrija, Ahilya. Yes, now everyone on top of it, add a circle. It can get overlapped, okay? Add a circle. Kabir, see the curve, how it is. You have to start from inside like this, semicircle, and extend this line for smile. Add a line at the end, okay? Okay, Kavya. Kavya, you have enough space for adding circle? Okay, Ria. Everyone, this center line was just for reference, okay? You can make it clear if you have added. Come on, Siri. Okay. Now everyone, check here. We have this reference dot. Just check. Everyone observe first, then you can start drawing. You take this dot as a reference for the mouth part. See how we have to add. From the dot, go a little bit up. Make a semicircular line. And you have to join it here to the nose part. In this way, you have to go a little bit out, okay, of the circle. Come on, you can start with this line. I'm just erasing the circle so that you will not get confused. I'm erasing the circle. Now check. Come on, Asmi, Akshat. Yes. Okay, Chaitanya, everyone, you have to connect it to the circle, okay? See here. Here we have circle. There you have to connect. Okay, Kavya. See once again. From dot, you have to start from up like this. Make a curve and join it to the circle, okay? Here, see? And erase this part of the line. Yes. Okay, Siri, correct. See, we have to erase this line like this. Come on, Rishit. Well done, Chaitra. Come on, Kabir. Ayan, good. Well done. Everyone, we have to show mouth open. Okay. Again, same type of curve. Observe. You have to start from here. Add a line first. Make a semicircular curve and join it. See everyone, first the line is flat, then you have to make curve. Come on, Ansh, Ahilya. Yes, very good, Rishit. Well done. Very good, Ria. Yes, ask me perfect. Yes, Siri. Siri, check this line. Slightly extend this line more so that you will get mouth part big. Show it, Kabir. All right, Chaitanya. Chaitanya, erase all the extra lines, okay? Come on, Vihan. Kabir, show your drawing. Kabir, see, you need to correct this curve, okay? It's in a slanting manner. And then you have to make this curve going down. Okay, just correct that part, then you will get the nose part correct. Yes. See here, everyone, showing this part again. Okay. See, from here you have to start. Check the line. It's a little bit flat. Okay. And then you have to make a curved line and you have to join it up like this. Okay. This curve we have already added. It will look like this. Yes, Kaushal. Daniel, very nice, correct? Show Akshat. Any other difficulty? Got the mouth part. First, the line is a little bit slanting. Then you have to make curve and you have to join it up. Very good, Akshat. Kavya. All right, Kaushal. Well done. Now again, inside mouth, you have to add number 3 like this. First curve, second curve. For the tongue part. Yes, continue, CD. Yes. Kavya, just check that you have erased overlapping lines. Check here. Circle, you have erased. Yes, ask me perfect. Good work. Ahilya, very nice. Come on, face is almost done. Let me know. Okay, Kaushal. Correct, Anika. Meet perfect. Meet check, you have erased circle here. Riya, very nice. Riya, you can make nose circle little bit big, okay? All right, Adrija. Ansh, correct. Mahit, correct. Yes, okay, Kavya. Kavya, you can shift the circle little bit up, okay? Then it will fit. Okay. Now everyone, main part, we have to draw that are eyes. Okay, see here, we have these 2 semicircles. We have to use it, okay? Check. First, we will start with this left side eye. You have to make oval shape for it, like this. Oval shape. Don't make a circle, everyone. We want oval, like a egg shape. Okay. All right, Riya. See here, everyone. First, you can add half curve. Then you can show other half. Okay. Like this. Let's check it in the work. Come on. Start from left side. Half curve. Everyone see the left eye will be little bit big as compared to the right one because it's little bit overlapping. That's why. First eye, oval shape. And second eye will touch over here to the nose line. So no problem, okay? Check, it will look like this. It will touch to the nose line. Don't leave much gap. You can shift it a little bit on right. Just make one and show. Yes. Very good, Siri. Siri, it's nice. See here, everyone. Oval shape. First eye. Second eye, you can show a little bit up, no problem. Small oval shape. Like this. It's okay, Ansh. It's not compulsory, okay? That your eye should touch nose. You might have gap, no problem. Then you can show both eyes same size. Depending upon space, adjust that. But check that oval shape is correct. Yes, ask me perfect. Show the eyeball on left side like this. Small highlight. This part we are going to fill it, okay? Afterwards, add eyebrow line on top. Very good, Gargi. Come on, let me show eyes again. Eyeball, I'm starting. Slight curve on left side. Very good, Kaushal. Kaushal, check that. Both shapes are similar. This two. Small circle for highlight, everyone. Don't skip that. And add eyebrow line on top. Yes. Okay, Kavya. If you don't have space to add eyebrow line, no problem. Add it small down. Done, Daniel. Okay, perfect. Very nice, Daniel. If you wish to add lashes to that, you can. Okay. Just show me once eyes are done. Show Ayan. Yes, Ayan, see, this curve you need to make little bit big. Use a proper semicircle, okay? For eyes, oval shape is correct. Very nice, Ahilya, perfect. Yes, Anika, don't add lines on that. You can add lashes here, okay? Not on eyebrow line. Yes, Rishit, 1 minute. Okay, Rishit, perfect. Say everyone, lashes you have to add here, okay? If you want to add. Okay, good. Everyone slightly make this line big, long. Okay, almost done. Good work, Ria. Now we will start adding ears. Check everyone. One will be here in the center, big side semicircle or a circle you can use. Check like this, big size we have to make. Yes, Ansh, show. Very good, Ansh, correct. Ansh, just check, see this part. Here, some gap should be there, okay? Okay, Nesha, good. Good work, Adrija. Everyone leave very small gap. Add second one, same. Big size curve. Very good, Ria, correct? Just maintain the shape, everyone. And draw it freehand only. Yes. Make it big. Okay, Kaushal. Kaushal, try to draw it freehand. Then only it will look perfect. Yes. Okay, Nisha, correct? Take your time, everyone. Add a small circle on nose for highlight. Yes, Asmi. Asmi, you can make this one little bit down and see more circular. Okay, just this one, correct it. Okay, Anika, correct. Ahilya, correct. Riya, correct. Everyone, no need to erase this line, okay? Because this whole part is going to be black. Okay, so this line will not be visible. So you can leave it like that. Yes, Kabir, show. Okay, Rishit, perfect. Kabir, show your drawing. Okay, Kavya. No question, don't start. We have to add some more lines, okay? Adrija, you have to make it in the center part, okay? Same curve we have to use. Nice work, Daniel, all right. Meet correct. Okay, come on, let's continue. Yes, Kavya. Now everyone, we will start adding body. Come on. See here, I'm marking 2 dots, observe it. From mouth part, go a little bit on left side, mark a dot for your reference. Yes, Kaushal. Yes, Ayan, okay. Yes. See everyone, one reference dot on left, other one you can take this part, mouth part for your reference. Check, these 2 dots I've added. Check its position, add it first. Correct. Now everyone see, from both dots, we have to add a slight curve line like this. From both the dots, make slight curve in this way. Come on, Anushri. Come on, Arav. Okay, Asmi. Slight curve, everyone, from both the dots. Correct. Now, check this down part, everyone. Here we have some space. Here we have to make a big semicircular curve. See, like this. I'm starting from down, making a big size curve, and it should touch both the lines, okay? Like this. See, it's touching both the lines, and again, we have to go down in this way. Very good, Ria. Ria, extend line more. You have space. Extend this line. Okay, you can make this line a little bit short if you don't have space. Okay, slightly make it small. Kabir, see the chin part, you have to add from here. We have reference dot here, correct? You have to make a semicircular curve and you have to join it up to the nose. Here we have circle also. Take that as a reference and make a semicircular curve. Show your work, Kabir, so I can tell. You are starting fresh, Kabir. Okay. All right, Ayan. Okay, Nesha. Nesha, you can join it down. No need to leave space. Down. Yes, Ahilya, done. Okay, Ahilya, correct. Now on this part, just make two oval shapes like eyes. Just make two oval shapes. Okay, Ria. Okay, Adrisha. See, Kapil, once we have added circle, what do you have to do? From center, mark this dot. From center, go a little bit on left and make number 3. I am correct. See here, everyone, if you have less space, you can make it a little bit short. Okay, see here, we have mouth part here. From there, you have to go a little bit on left, slight curve, slight curve. Check that they are in the same line here. Okay, then start from down and make a curve line like this. Okay, Asmi, perfect. Very good, Jivika. Okay. Now everyone, for hands, this hand is folded on right side. You have to use alphabet V shape. Check. Take this dot again, make a V shape like this. V shape. One more small V shape in this way. Okay, Ria. Come on, Kavya. Ayan, meet correct. Yes. Kavya, you can show small hand, okay? Over here. If you have less space, everyone, show it small, but don't skip. Come on, Mahit, Arav, show. Yes, very good, Arav. Arav, you can make this little bit short, V shape. Correct, Ahilya. See, everyone, gap between the lines should be even, okay? Yes. Then Kabir with the 3. All right, Kavya. Okay, Arav. Siri, come on, Jivika, Akshat. Rishit, very nice. Asmi, perfect. Come on, Adya. Chaitra, good. Yes. Yes, Kabir. Okay, Kabir, it's nice. Just make hand little bit big. Okay, other things are nice. We have to use 2 V shapes for hand. Like this, big. And one more small inside it. That's it. Okay, now the next hand. See here. Take this dot, everyone. From here, make a slight curve. Or you can make a simple line like this. 2 lines you have to add. Okay, Adrija. Show your drawing. Okay, Adrija, you can use just 2 lines like this. Just simply add 2 lines in this way and leave it like that. Okay. Yes. 1 minute, Kavya, show. Okay, Kavya. Kavya, you can slightly increase the gap between the lines. Okay. Okay, Asmi, perfect. Everyone, check the gap, everyone. Don't make it less. We want more gap for this hand. Okay. Now, for the palm, we have to use oval shape like this. Make an oval shape touching both the lines. Which part, Meet? Show. No, Meet, it's nice. No problem. Just extend these lines more. It's nice. Okay, Arav, no problem. See here, everyone, the lines again. First line, second line. Then you have to make oval shape, big size, in this way. Oval shape. Okay, Siri. Siri, just check that it's not touching here. Small gap. Okay, Ria, you can start with the next hand. Yes, Kavya, show. Okay, Kavya, correct? Okay, Asmi, Kaushal, nice. Yes. Now, everyone, details for hands. Make a V shape here. Okay, let's complete this hand. Then you can show me, everyone. Make a V shape. Add a U for thumb. Okay. And just 2 lines for other fingers in this way. And add a curve. Okay, come on, start adding lines. Okay, Kaushal, nice. Check everyone, we have made V shape first, then add a U for thumb. Okay. Okay, Ayan, correct. Then 2 lines and add a third line like this. Very good, Asmi, correct. Come on, everyone, complete the hand and then you can show me. Okay, Anika, make these lines. It's okay, Meet. Face is important. Okay. Rishit, nice. Adrija, nice. Yes, Adya, correct. Adya, see this line, you can make it more circular, slightly. Ria, yes. Ria, okay. Nesha, correct. Daniel, perfect. And show me once. All right, Arav. Chaitra, okay. Show Ansh. Okay, Sivi. Yes, okay, Ansh, no problem. We can continue. Okay, Meet. All right. Now, everyone, Mickey Mouse is done here. Now we have to just add some wavy lines in the background so that we can use different colors. Okay, see here. I'm adding one line on this part, wavy line. You can use a wavy line or a zigzag line. Okay, check the lines and you can start wavy lines. Come on, CD. Wavy line, everyone. See, I've added one here, second one on this part. Okay. Now one line I'm adding between ear and hand over here. Wavy line, everyone. Come on, Ansh. And the last line on this part. Okay. See, I've added 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 lines. Come on, Anushri. All right, Adrija. Everyone, if you want to add extra line, you can. Meet correct. Vihan, Varun, Chaitanya, Akshat, show your drawings. All right, Kaushal. Well done, Ahilya. Anika, we want some parts in the background so that we can use different colors for filling. Correct, Kabir? Kabir, you can add one line here. Okay. Everyone, if you have blank space here, more, add one more line. Okay. In this way, just add one more line. Okay, Gargi. Daniel, perfect. Chaitra, perfect. Come on, our pencil drawing is completed, everyone. Just show me your final drawing so you can start with the tracing. Okay, Rishit, ask me, correct. Everyone check, you have erased overlapping lines. Adya, okay. Yes, Gargi. Okay, Anika, Ria, Ayan, you can start tracing. Okay, Ansh. Yes, Arav, you can start. Everyone, first you have to use your black permanent marker. Okay. Yes. So everyone, before using permanent marker, please newspaper under your sheet. Yes, Ria, you can use that. Place newspaper. And then use your marker, permanent marker. Trace each and every pencil line, okay? Come on. Let's start together. Everyone done with the drawing? Any difficulty? Rishit, use it. Okay, good, Chaitanya, done. Nice. Kavya, correct. You can start tracing. Start from top. Come on, Kabir. Come on, keep doing, everyone. We are using permanent marker. Chaitanya, you can erase your pencil lines. Yes, come on, continue, everyone. Everyone leave the highlight circle, okay, as it is blank. And rest of the part fill it. If you have added lashes, trace that. Everyone check, highlight is there on nose also, okay? Same highlight like eyes is there on nose. small circle on left side. Come on, Jivika. Come on, continue. Come on, Ayan. Harav, done with the tracing. Come on, Kavya. Mahek. You have to trace background lines also. Yes, Rishit, correct. You can check your pencil lines. Come on, Gargi. Okay, correct, Krishna. Okay, complete tracing like this. Then just erase all pencil lines that are visible. Continue, everyone. We will start with the coloring together. Okay, and I will wait after erasing. Very good, Gargi. Okay. Yes, Jivika, show which? Yes, Jivika. Everyone, you can change the colors, okay? In the background, we have to use multiple colors. It's not compulsion to use which I have used. You can take any. It should be colorful. First, erase your pencil lines, everyone. And just let me know if you are done. Okay, Anika. All the reference line. Yes, Krishna, you can use watercolors. Okay, Meet. Chaitra, Varun, Akshar, done. Siri. Okay, Arab, no problem. Correct, Ria. Ria, check your line, connect it. Very nice, Daniel. Ria, this line. Adya, done. All right, Kaushal. Yes, Adrija. Yes, correct, Adrija. Yes, Meet. Rishit. Rishit, you are using watercolors. All right, Ria. Just show me your watercolors. Krishna, you can take number 6 brush. Okay. If you are using watercolors. Number 6 brush, you have to take and use good amount of color. Yes, let's start with the coloring. Come on. Siri, you can use oil pastels. Okay. Come on, take your brush sketch pens. Rishit, use number 6 brush, okay? And while using color, just add 2 drops of water in that. Mix it nicely and then start applying. Yes, use it, Ria. Come on. Yes, Rishit, you can. So everyone, I'm starting with the black color first, okay? For ears and this part, we have to fill completely black with your black brush sketch pen. Okay, Adya, you can start. So you can take black brush sketch pen and start filling these areas. I'm keeping here reference drawing. Okay, observe and then only fill. While using brush sketch pen also, you have to do first border. Okay, don't start from middle, everyone. Start from border. Okay, and see, maintain one direction only. Sleeping either or standing lines, any one. Sleeping lines will be better. And just go all over the part in this way. Use it very smoothly, no need to rush. Slowly. Black brush sketch pen. Yes, Kaushal, you have to use your brush sketch pens. Make outline for this line. Don't go outside border, okay? Come on, Asmi started. Kavya. Come on, Gargi. Everyone see brush sketch pen has brush tip. So you can use it just like brush, like we do watercolor painting. In the same way, we have to use our brush sketch pen. Okay, no need to apply pressure. Just use it very smoothly and don't layer it much. Okay, just do it in a single layer. Otherwise, it will look patchy. Come on, everyone. Just check that there is no white space left in between. Okay, come on. Same black color is inside mouth. I will just complete black color part, then I will wait for you, okay? Then we will continue with the second color. Everyone doing border. Come on, Riya, Varun, Chaitra, Jivika. Same color is for hands. I hope everyone is using brush sketch pen only. Normal sketch pen don't use. Okay, it doesn't have brush tip. It will be difficult to fill. Okay, like this complete black color part. I'm waiting. Let me know once done. Come on, Gargi. Yes, very good, Ria. Come on. Daniel, Chaitra, Varun. Yes, correct, Anushri. Done, Jivika, with the black color. Okay. Come on, Rishit. Rishit able to use watercolors. Okay, Ria. Done, Ahilya. Okay, no problem. Okay, Rishit. If you are done with the black color, everyone, you can start using yellow color here. Okay. Anushri, you can make it even with the help of cotton bud, okay? If any white space is visible. Those who are using oil pastels, if you have any white gaps in between and you're unable to make it even, use your cotton bud for filling that white gap. Okay. Come on. Next color, I'm taking yellow. Start filling yellow color here. If you wish to change, you can. Don't go inside circle. Okay. Make outline for ovals. And then maintain one direction for filling. Okay, Ahilya, no problem. You can complete your work and share. Okay, Ahilya. Come on, Chaitra. So everyone yellow color and light blue color for oval. Take any light color. Just check that you're not going on other color part. Okay. Yes. Use red color for tongue. Okay. Come on, Ayan, Gargi. Show me once done till here, then just background colors are left. Use all different colors, okay? Of your choice. And just skip the colors that you have used here, yellow, blue, and black. Skip those colors. Other colors you can take, okay? I'm using orange color on top. I've started from left side, starting with the border. Don't go on the black color part. And then you can continue with the filling. Yes, Ria, very good. You can start with the background, use different colors of your choice. Just don't repeat the colors, okay? Okay, Chaitanya, no problem. Come on, everyone. No problem if your strokes are visible, but just check that no white space is there. Come on, Daniel, Gargi, Akshat. Come on, Asmi. Orange. Then I've used pink. Come on, continue filling it, everyone. Take different colors. You can take light green, light blue, orange, red, pink, purple, violet. Take different colors. Come on, Arav. Continue. Come on, Akshat. Yes, Ria. Okay, you have selected colors. Okay, you can start. Come on, Kabir. Come on, Asmi, Anushri. Using light green. Come on, Chaitra. Make outline around it. Come on, Kavya. 1 minute. Hold, Kavya. Okay. Kavya, just see your black color is looking light. It's over. Okay, you can do one thing later, use your black watercolor on that. Okay, because we want it dark. Come on, Siri. So I've used orange on top, then I've used pink, then I'm using light green. I hope everyone started with the background, filling it. Come on, Asmi. Red color. You can use peach color, those who have. Use turquoise. Everyone see this small part is the continuation of this part, okay? So I'm using same red color here. Okay, come on, continue. Moving on to the right side. Using turquoise color here. Everyone touch the entire tip of your brush sketch pen to paper, okay? Don't use only the tip. See everyone, like the strokes you will get. Don't use only the tip, okay? Yes. 1 minute, Siri. Siri used only one color in the background. Okay. Siri later try it with brush sketch pen, okay? And you have to see that color doesn't go on face, okay? Yes, your drawing is correct. Come on, everyone. Last color, I'm taking violet. Come on, Varun. Everyone, like this, you have to complete. Come on, Ayan, Adya. Come on, Daniel. Everyone, which part you are doing? Just check that there is no white space. Make border first. Maintain one direction while filling. Come on, Chaitra, Rishit. Done, Akshat. Anushri done? 1 minute. Okay, Anushri, nice. Anushri, you can use cotton bud, okay, afterwards. Yes, everyone just hold your work. Let me check which part you are doing. Okay, Gargi. Come on, Arav. Yes, perfect, Meet. Good work. It's looking nice. Yes, use all different colors. Come on, Ansh, Krishna, Anika, Jivika. Yes. Okay, Ansh, you can complete all parts, okay? It's nice. Okay, Daniel, perfect. So everyone, you have to share your completed work, okay? You can take your time. Okay, Ria. Very nice, Chaitra. Good. If you haven't shared yesterday's work, do that. Okay. Anyone wants to show? Jivika, Anika show, Adrija, Kavya. Okay, Ria, you can continue. You can complete and share your final drawing. Yes, Anika, correct. Perfect. Mahed, Arav, just show. Kavya. Kavya, show. Okay, Adrija, you can complete and share your final drawing. Okay, Kavya. Ask me which part you're doing. Okay, just one single color is left. You can complete and share. Okay, Mahit, perfect. Mahit, fill the eyes. Okay. Okay, everyone. We'll be waiting for your drawing. Okay. So let's end the session here for today. See you all on Wednesday. Okay. Bye. Well done, Kabir. Rishit. Perfect. Rishit, make eye nose black. Okay. Anika, which pen? No, we don't need that pen. Okay, everyone. I will share material list for the next class in the group. Okay. Share your work. Okay. Bye. Take care.